and action. Hello friends, I am YUVRAjsharma back again. इस टाइम रात के 1 बज गया है। पहले मैं सोच रहा था कि आज की वीडियो मैं स्किप कर दूं, पर फिर मैंने सोचा कि मेरा 21 डेज ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी चैलेंज वो ब्रेक हो जाएगा। So I thought to make a fast video on the topic shutter speed. Shutter speed means action. So I thought to make a video on action photography with playing with some bottles, perfume sprays and light and smoke. So without wasting our time, here we go. Here I am using Nikon entry-level DSLR camera with 50mm lens. My camera settings are shutter speed 250, aperture 4.5 and ISO 100. Further, I am on a picture set control vivid, focus point AFS single servo. I am doing a single point autofocus. My metering is center metering. Further exposure compensation is my one stop down. Simpex ring light with a Godox flash.